Hare Krishna everyone.
Hare Krishna.
My name is Priyanka. He is Jigar Prabhu and he's our son Riyan. We go to Hatfield Bhakti Vishya class. Our class leader is Sadhvi Mataji and Ramya Mataji is a teacher for Riyan every week Bhakti Vishya class. One of the event in Damodar Puja, we have attended one of our friends' place. We went to a Damodar Puja back in 2018 and there we been introduced to Sadhvi Mataji and we realized that there is something like this is going on. So after that Damodar Puja, we didn't think much, but then after some days, month I guess, we realized that this is something nice. As a family we can do something, we all can learn at the same platform and we can do something spiritual gain as a family. And so I've contacted my friend and they were already attending the Bhakti Vishya class. So by January 2019 or something, we started going to the Bhakti Vishya class. But again, due to other commitments in our life, we were not so regular of attending the classes, but we were going on and off and we knew there is something going on. So I think this year we are more committed and we are attending Bhakti Vishya class regularly than last year, and we all actually gaining spiritual knowledge through these classes. So in our Bhakti Vishya class, it's very interactive and we interact with each other. Sadhvi Mataji explains very nicely. She always mentioned at the first question in the class is like, what have you read this week? So to answer that question, I think myself basically read it. So I can actually share my knowledge and increase more the meaning behind it. So yes, it's very interactive. We do kirtan. We go for a passage of discussion every week. When we were meeting at Shri Lakshmi Mataji's house, we used to offer prasadam. We have 3 groups which makes different varieties of food every week and offered to Krishna. And the devotees in the class are have become like a family. They are so inspired that even if you don't want to do anything, by looking at them you get inspiration automatically, and you just try to do your best and give service unto the lotus feet of Lord Shri Krishna. And we have been, since this pandemic, we have been doing everything online, and we were part of so many other activities, as in different programs like Vyuha program, Panihati program, Jagannath Rath Yatra. Now the Janmashtami will come, and we did Narsimha Jayanti, Balram Jayanti. All these programs we have been taken a part in and gave services at our best. So it's all together. It's really amazing to be in such a group and share knowledge, increase knowledge, and be part as a spiritual family. And also I'm thanking Sadhvi Mataji who always guide us and clear so many questions in my life, because after coming into this after attending the BV class, I started getting so many questions which I discussed with Sadhvi Mataji, and she's always there on a call. So thanks a lot, Sadhvi Mataji. And our devotees, our BV families they are that like extended family, and we really enjoy their association. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna devotees. Myself is Jigar Prabhu. I also like to share my experience that how I just joined BV and what I learned from the BV classes. So as Priyanka Mataji mentioned that we came to know one of our mutual friend that on the month of Damodar they just they just kept the puja at their place and they invited us as well. And where the first time we met Sadhvi Mataji and other devotees, and we came to know there is that Bhakti Vishya classes are going on within the Hatfield. Before that, we regularly attend go and just do kirtana at ISKCON temple at Watford. There we like prasad, then we like the kirtan, and we like to just to visit the temple. So that is nice way just to get into spiritual, into our daily routine. But after we came to know that is the Bhakti Visha class is going within Hatfield, so we thought it's a very good association to get associated with that. Initially, it was not like that we are regular or sincere commitment, but after visiting a few times, then we all three like it, and we realize that how important and in our life that we can get connected to spiritual life. And it is not like completely spiritual, but we understand that how the spiritual knowledge that can help us in our day-to-day material life as well, how we can come out of that all the miseries and the things. So that's why I also personally like that Bhakti Visha classes, where Sadhi Mataji is our leader, and she is so knowledgeable. She has and she has so much patience as well, even though that she is very kind and humble as well to us, and she always share the love, and she is being very patient. She always encourages us to do more chanting, reading books, and even though like all the devotees are not taking their words sincerely, but she doesn't lose her patience, and she remains very calm, and she always encourages, and being a very kind teacher, that she never let us go, that okay, and she has a faith in us that one day we will definitely get that seriousness and we go on that route. But I like to share here one more experience, that by just joining BV classes, that I learn about that how the spiritual life is important, and I can see that doing kirtana as well, that is one kind of joy. It's not like forceful things that we are doing it. So I love that to do kirtana as well, when the Sri Lakshmi Mataji, Satya Mataji and all they're doing the kirtana is a nice thing to do. Even Riyan and do the lots of sloka and things. So learn sometime from Riyan as well. Learn lots of pastime about the Krishna as well. So that is a wonderful experience just joining the BV class, and all the devotees, they are so nice and so humble and very respectful. And the one of them another thing that I really like to mention, that Anil Prabhu most of the time do that prasadam, that we always like after the BV classes, when we have before lockdown pandemic, we used to meet on Sunday evening, and that was one of the nice time where we are just spending time with each other devotees after the nice kirtana and the pastimes, listening from the Sadhi Mataji and that and other devotees as well. We have a prasadam, and where we enjoyed the prasadam most, and then we just have to depart on that one. So that is a very good time that we spend in our daily busy life in the end of the weekend. So that was one of the wonderful way just to end our weekend. So that was my experience with the Bhakti Visha. Thank you. Hare Krishna devotees.
Hare Krishna. I am Riyan, and my teacher name is Ramya Mataji, and I do shlokas and have quizzes. After that, we also have prasadam, and we give out the prasadam. Hare Krishna.
Thank you everyone for listening. Hare Krishna.